During the morning rush hour on Interstate 794 in downtown Milwaukee, a frightening two-vehicle collision nearly turned fatal. A swerving sedan struck a female FBI special agent's SUV on her way to work, forcing her vehicle sideways onto the highway's concrete retaining wall. The SUV came to rest teetering on the ledge, its passenger side wheels hanging precariously over a 30-foot drop to the ground below. With every movement risking a catastrophic tilt off the overpass, a Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputy rushed to the rear of the balanced vehicle. Using a window-breaking tool, the deputy smashed out the rear windshield, allowing the trapped FBI agent to crawl out through the back glass to safety. "I'm glad it didn't go any further," the deputy breathed on his Bodycam. At 8 in the morning on December 8th, traffic was moving at full speed across the elevated downtown overpass. When a driver ahead slammed on his brakes, a second driver swerved sharply into the adjacent lane to avoid a rear-end collision. He swerved directly into the path of the FBI agent's SUV. The force of the impact shoved the SUV onto the snow-dusted parapet wall, leaving the heavy vehicle precariously balanced half on the roadway and half over thin air. First responders arriving at the scene immediately recognized the danger. Opening any side doors or shifting weight inside the cabin could tip the center of gravity over the edge. First responders carefully approached the rear hatch as the safest point of egress. After shattering the rear window, deputies assisted the agent as she carefully crawled out through the tailgate onto the solid pavement of I-794. Remarkably, the FBI agent declined medical treatment at the scene and walked away completely unharmed. The driver who caused the crash was issued a citation for unsafe lane deviation. First responders noted how snow buildup from plowing operations along retaining walls can sometimes form dangerous ramps, though officials confirmed the crash itself was caused purely by the collision. Thanks to the swift evaluation and precise action of the Milwaukee County Sheriff's deputies, what could have been a deadly 30-foot fall ended as a successful, uninjured rescue. Our next breakdown is ready for you right now. Click the screen right now, and I'll see you there.